For night divers, a reliable underwater torch is one of the most important things you can have. There are many products available to choose underwater torches, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best underwater torches from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Light in Motion Solid Dive. One of the coolest features of this underwater torch is its flexibility in being handheld and hands-free. This is made possible by its ballistic fabric hands-free strap, where you can choose to set it on the left or right hand. Weighing only 10 ounces with a dimension of 4x 2.1x 2.1 inches and a depth rating of 330 feet, this torch uses a powerful LED bulb that is powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery. It is highly versatile as it is both a spot and floodlight. When set to floodlight mode, it produces 1,200 lumens of brightness on a 6-diag wide beam. When set to spotlight mode, it has a 500 lumen rating spread on a 12-diag deep penetrating beam. Aside from the spot and flood mode, it has 3 different intensity modes, where a high mode provides a 70-minute continuous light, 140 minutes for mid mode, and 280 minutes for low mode. Number 2. Underwater Kinetics SL3L Dive Light. Measuring only 7.9 x 2x 2 inches, the Underwater Kinetics SL3 is ideal as a backup or secondary light. But being small and compact doesn't mean that it is a low-performing torch. In fact, it is rated to produce 425 lumens of brightness courtesy from its high-intensity white LED lamp. Surrounding the valve is a total internal reflection reflector, which provides a bright center spot and a low peripheral light. This torch is powered by 3 disposable alkaline C-size batteries that have a total burn time of up to 5 hours. Its switch mechanism uses a simple on-off twisting bezel head that is sealed by 2 O-rings. It has a depth rating of 500 feet. Number 3. Tavatic T1000 USB Video Compact. For a compact torch that has a wide-angle beam, then the Tavatic T1000 is at the top of the line. Using a Cree LED bulb that is powered by a rechargeable 18,650 lithium-ion battery, this torch gives out 1,000 lumens of brightness and a burning time of up to 3.5 hours. This compact dive light, which measures only 5.8 x 1.1 inches and weighs 4 ounces, is ideal for underwater photography and videography. This is brought to you by its 120-degree angle beam that captures and illuminates the subject you intend to shoot. The unit is rated to be functional of up to 100 meters deep. The only downside that you should note with this torch is that it takes a while to charge its battery, typically running from 4 to 5 hours. Number 4. Sea Life Sea Dragon Mini 900S Power Kit. If you are looking for a compact underwater torch that delivers a solid 900 lumens of straight narrow beam, take a look at the Sea Life Sea Dragon Mini 900. Encased in a corrosion-resistant anodized aluminum tube, this torch uses a Cree XML2T6 LED bulb with a life expectancy of 30,000 operating hours and has a brightness rating of 900 lumens. This underwater flashlight has a 5-light mode switch. At full power mode, the burning time of the rechargeable lithium-ion battery is at 2 hours and 8 hours for the quarter power mode. The unit is sealed up using double O-ring and is rated to go down to 100 meters deep. In case you forget to recharge the battery or at an area with no electricity, you can power up the unit using 2 pieces CR123 batteries, which gives you a burning time of up to 4 hours. Number 5. ORCAT 550 Scuba Dive Light. If you're looking for a mid-range torch, then take a look at the Orca Torch D550. Powered by 2 PCS 34OMR rechargeable, this torch can produce up to 1,000 lumens. Its bulb has a lifespan of 50,000 hours and creates a bright spotlight. This torch is controlled with a magnetic tail switch with 3 light modes. It has a depth rating of 150 meters. It comes with a wrist strap, allowing you to experience hands-free diving and explore the fantastic underwater world with ease. This makes it an ideal choice for diving enthusiasts who want to stay in the water for longer periods without interruption. His set includes all the accessories you need to use the Orca Torch D550 Dive Light. We value our users and offer exceptional customer service. We are dedicated to putting the user first and listening to their needs. If you have any questions about the product before or after purchasing, and we will respond within 24 hours with an optimal solution. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.